Hi, this is Dave with another Onshape tech tip. Onshape provides the unique ability to work with multiple workspaces inside a document. Having multiple workspaces or branches allows engineers to work on a design without making multiple copies or interfering with each other's work. This also keeps your data in one location, maintaining a single source of truth. As multiple users work within different workspaces, the version and history panel updates with the latest edit appearing at the top. As we see, this can quickly become confusing, especially if you are not as familiar with the document. A filter at the top of the version and history panel allows you to view all branches or only the active branch. Selecting the Active Branch tab displays only the active workspace. To see the previous branches the active workspace branch is based on, click Show at the bottom of the branch. Filtering the view between the active and all branches allows you to navigate your history and version panel easily. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more video tech tips.